Hi guys, this is Redlinemaxx. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the 2022 BMW M5 CS and this car is brutal. Let's take a walk around review of it and start it up. Alright guys, so this is the 2022 BMW M5 CS. This car is brutal, lightweight, and also the fastest BMW M5 ever created. And also this car has 230 pounds lighter than the BMW M5 competition, and also has more horsepower than the M5 competition. The M5 CS is loaded with a ton of carbon fiber parts, both in the exterior and the interior, which helps reduce the overall weight of the car. And quite interestingly, makes the car look even more aggressive and lower than the M5 competition. Now, if you look over to the front, it has some distinct qualities that is different from the regular M5 competition. Now, if you look, the first thing I want to show you is this bronze grille, which looks incredibly nice. Now, this car does not have any surround camera. Also, that helps reduce the weight of the car. This one here comes with the M5 CS badge. And if you go down to the bottom section, take a look at this. It's got huge air intake to feed air into the engine. And if you look down further, it's got the carbon fiber front splitter, which makes this car look even more aggressive. Now, another thing I want to show you is over to the hood, it's got this carbon fiber vent here, which expels hot air from the engine bay. So really aggressive front end right here. Looking at the headlights now, when the car is on, it's got two daytime running lights. So it's got the white one and the yellow one. Now, if you only have just the daytime running lights on, it'll only have two white daytime running lights. So really interesting, unique feature in this BMW M5 CS. Going over to the side of the car now, another distinctive feature of this BMW M5 CS is this bronze colored 20-inch wheel with carbon ceramic brakes and also 6-piston brake calipers, which enhances braking, and also it is gorgeous. On the side, it's got this M5 CS badge, which is in gold or bronze as well. Don't mind the trickle charger, it's in the dealership, but that looks incredibly nice. I want you to take a look at that. And also this comes with the carbon fiber mirror cap with turn signals in it. Now again, this does not come with 360 camera, which reduces the weight of the car essentially. And if you go over to the back of it, again, 20-inch wheel with a single brake caliper, which is in gold as well. Let's go over to the back of this car. Now you can see how this car sits. It sits very low and balanced. This car looks incredibly gorgeous and aggressive. Over to the back here, again, we have the LED tail lights. And over to the back here, you can see here the M5 CS badge is in bronze as well. And huge spoiler, and also in carbon fiber. So this looks really nice. Over to the bottom section, again, quad exhaust with carbon fiber diffuser. Take a look at this. Really aggressive look. And also the bottom section is all in black, which enhances the color of the gray. So let me know what you guys feel about this. Really gorgeous. And another feature here that reduces the overall weight of this car is this carbon fiber hood roof. So again, that helps reduce the weight of this car compared to the regular BMW M5 CS. Oh, sorry, the regular M5 competition. So let's pop the hood. Now under the hood, we have a 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine with 8-speed sports automatic transmission. Now the horsepower is 627 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, which pushes this car from 0 to 60 in about 2.9 seconds. So this car is incredibly fast. And also this one comes with adaptive dampers and suspension, which also you can switch with the M mode. You can switch it from 4-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive, and also you can do some drifting with this car. So it is incredibly fast. And if you look over here, it's got the BMW Power carbon fiber engine cover, so that it is really packaged nice. So again, twin turbocharged. This car is brutal. And if you look under the hood, this whole hood is carbon fiber, which essentially reduces the weight of this car. And if you see in the middle section here, it's got the M5 CS on it. So really little details like that makes this car very unique. And also, I don't think they'll ever make this car anymore, especially with how lightweight this car is. It is a unique car. So if you have this car in your collection, I suggest you keep this thing, because I don't think they'll ever make a BMW look this good anymore, especially, again, how lightweight this car is. All right, so let's look at the interior, starting from the back. Again, this is keyless entry. Now, another distinctive feature of this BMW M5 CS is that this comes with 4 bucket seats. Now, on the rear, you can see here's got 2 bucket seats for the passengers. No middle seat, and you can see it's got these huge side bolsters, which also will keep the passengers right in their seats. And if you see the middle section here, it's got a little storage section there, so no middle seat for this car. And if you see in this middle section here, it's got the CS on it as well. For the front passenger, this comes with full bucket seat, and also this is really gorgeous. You can see it's got the space in there. Also, if you have taller passengers, they can actually stick their legs down there. So full bucket seats for the front passenger and driver. So let's go over to the front. So over to the door section here, you see the red highlighted stitching right there, really gorgeous. Over to the seats here now, the first thing I want to point out is this carbon fiber bucket seat. Again, really gorgeous. You can see this middle section here's got the carbon fiber in it, and the adjustings down here. And over to the section here, you can see he's got the M5 on it. So really, really gorgeous seat here. And also this hugs you completely, especially if you're going around corners. That hugs you completely. So for the interior, this comes with carbon fiber inlays and ambient lighting. So on the left side here, it's got the carbon fiber inlays, and over to this section here with the CS right on it, and in red stitching as well. Over to the steering wheel, again, you can see first thing here, the 12 o'clock. It's got the red stitching up here with Alcantara steering wheel. This is very massive as well, with the controls on each section, and this comes with the M1 and M2, which is highly customizable, and paddle shifters on either side, so downshift and upshift. And you can see it's got red in it as well. Take a look at that. Over to the middle section, again, 12-inch display and also touchscreen. And down at the bottom, it's got the climate control and the radio. Now, if you go down to this section here, again, this is the gear, and also it's got this other options here for the transmission responsiveness, and also park is right over here. Now for this car, again, this is the M5 CS, which is highly customizable. You could do the setup. So once you press the setup, you can see here's got the engine mode, so we can do sports or sports plus. Then you go down to the chassis, again, sports or sports plus. Now this comes with adaptive dampers and suspension, which is highly improved from the regular M5 CS, M5 competition, and also especially when you're in the track, you can really feel the difference. And if you go down to the steering wheel, again, this comes with sports and comfort and sports. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and start the car, but first, let's put this car on track mode. So what we'll do here is, on here, you will press the M mode. So once you press the M mode, that brings this up. So you got the road, sports, and track. So when you do sports and you press and hold, that'll bring up the track mode, and it'll say activate. So once you press OK, that activates. Again, this shuts off, and you can see right here, that comes up right over there. So we'll go ahead and start the car. So again, push and hold to start. This is incredible, and also sounds very loud. Now, that's all I can do because we're inside, and this sounds very incredibly loud in here. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys feel about this 2022 BMW M5 CS. And this car retails for $150,000, even if it's used. It is a classic car at this point, and also a very rare car to find in the market. And I'm at the BMW Minnetonka, so if you're interested in it at this point, they have this car in here. Again, this is a unicorn. You'll never find, it's very hard to find this car out in the market at this point. So 2022 BMW M5 CS, brutal car, full carbon fiber exterior and interior with 4 bucket seats and 627 horsepower, 553 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in about 2.9 seconds, top speed of 190 miles an hour. This car can compete with cars like, you know, the AMGs, Porsches and even Ferraris at top speed and take this car out on the track. Again, this car comes with adaptive dampers, which is finely tuned. Again, I believe finely tuned for Nürburgring actually. So this car is very, very incredible. Once again, I want to thank BMW Minnetonka for allowing me to do a video of this car. And also if you're in the market for it at this moment, it's right here in the dealership. So let me know what you guys feel about this 2022 BMW M5 CS. And thanks a lot for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video.